These health AI videos are going absolutely viral right now.
And I'm not talking about a few lucky clips.
I'm talking 153 million views, 38 million views, 23 million views, with new videos pulling in millions every single month. And here's the crazy part. These videos are made using only AI. No doctors, no animation studios, no expensive software. Just simple, easy-to-use AI tools. And in many cases, completely free. Right now, dozens of channels are quietly posting these videos, stacking views and money.
While most people have no idea how it works, most people think it's complicated.
They assume you need years of experience or insane editing skills. You don't. This is a repeatable system, and once you understand it, it becomes shockingly simple. These videos go viral by doing one thing perfectly, visually showing how the human body works in a way that's satisfying, educational, and impossible to scroll past.
And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make these videos yourself.
No guessing, no gatekeeping, no paid tools. I'll walk you through how to create viral health AI videos using 100% free AI tools, including unlimited image generation. So by the end of this video, you can start making them the same day. So if you want to build a faceless channel, create viral content with AI, and stay ahead before everyone else catches on, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Step 1. Generating perfect prompts. Before you touch any AI tool, you need the right prompts. And the fastest way to do that is by learning from what's already working. Start by finding a viral health video you like. Anyone. It doesn't matter if it's about digestion, the brain, or the heart. Once you find it, pause the video and take a screenshot of a frame that clearly shows the style you want. Now open ChatGPT. Upload that screenshot directly into the chat and then type a short, simple prompt. You don't need anything fancy. Just tell ChatGPT that you want a character and visual style like this, and ask it to create scene-by-scene prompts that explain a biological process visually. Then hit generate. What ChatGPT does next is incredibly powerful. It doesn't just give you one idea. It breaks the entire process into clear visual scenes. Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, each one representing a different stage of what's happening inside the human body. This is huge because now you're not guessing. You have a full storyboard planned out for you automatically. And once you have these scene prompts, everything else becomes easy. Step 2, generating images. Now that you have your scene-by-scene prompts, it's time to turn words into visuals. For this step, we're using an AI image generator. I personally use Dreamina AI, but the exact tool matters less than the process. Open Dreamina and paste in only the first scene prompt from ChatGPT. Don't dump everything in at once. We want to generate images one scene at a time. Before you hit generate, make sure you choose the 9:16 aspect ratio because this is critical for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Reels. Now click generate. Dreamina will give you multiple image options for that single scene. Look through them and pick the one that looks the most clean, realistic, and visually satisfying. Once you've chosen your image, move on to the second scene. Copy the next scene prompt, paste it into Dreamina, keep the aspect ratio at 9:16, hit generate again, and boom, your second scene image is ready. You'll repeat this exact same process for every scene ChatGPT gave you. By the end of this step, you'll have a full set of anatomical style images that visually explain the entire process from start to finish. At this point, your video already exists. It's just not moving you. Step 3, generating the voiceover. Now let's talk about voiceover, because this is what takes your video from cool to monetizable. Go back to the same ChatGPT conversation you've been using. This is important because it already understands your scenes. Ask ChatGPT to generate a 45-second narration script that explains the visuals you created. Tell it to keep the tone clear, engaging, and easy to understand. Then hit generate. Within seconds, you'll have a fully structured narration that matches your scenes perfectly. Now copy that script and head over to ElevenLabs. Inside ElevenLabs, choose a narration style voice, something calm, confident, and natural. Paste in your script, listen to the preview, make any small tweaks you want, and once it sounds right, hit download. Just like that, you have a professional quality voiceover without recording your own voice. Step 4, animating your images. This is where everything comes to life. First, go back to ChatGPT one more time and ask it to generate a motion prompt for each scene. You want it to describe camera movement, subtle motion, and lighting. Nothing crazy, just enough to make the visuals feel alive. Now open GROK AI, which is one of the best and free AI video generation tools right now. Click on Imagine, then select the 9:16 aspect ratio again. Upload your first image. GROK will automatically start animating it, but this is where the magic happens. Paste in the motion prompt for that scene and hit generate. The result? A smooth, realistic animation that feels cinematic and satisfying to watch. Repeat this exact same process for every image until all your scenes are now video clips. Step 5. Combining clips. Now it's time to put everything together. Open your editing software and drag all your animated clips onto the timeline in order. Then add your voiceover narration and line it up so each visual matches what's being said. Once everything is synced, generate captions. Captions are huge for retention. They keep people watching longer. Do a quick final check and then hit export. And just like that, your video comes to life. And that's it. Let's watch the rest of video together. Inside the human body, every bite we take begins an incredible biological journey. Our subject takes on an entire bulb of garlic. The moment he bites down, the body prepares for digestion. As he swallows, the garlic travels down the esophagus, guided by powerful muscular waves. It reaches the stomach, where acids and enzymes break it apart, releasing potent natural compounds. These compounds enter the bloodstream and begin to circulate throughout the body. The heart pumps them forward. The lungs support oxygen exchange.
That's the exact system these viral health AI channels are using.
If this helped you, support the channel by subscribing, hit the like button, and start creating, because the people who move early with AI always win.